Ingredients: 1 large egg, 2 teaspoons dried oregano, divided, 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 2 large cloves garlic, grated or minced, divided, 2 lemons, 1 zested and juiced, 1 halved, kosher salt to taste, 1 cup fresh mint leaves and tender stems, roughly chopped, divided, 1 cup crumbled feta, divided, 2 tablespoons full-fat yogurt, such as Greek, Skyr or Labna, 1 cup panko breadcrumbs, 1 pound ground chicken or turkey, preferably dark meat, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 red onion, cut into thin slices, divided, 2 heads romaine or other crunchy lettuce, cut into 2-inch pieces, 1 pint grape tomatoes, halved, 1 medium cucumber, thinly sliced into half moons, about 1 cups, freshly ground black pepper to taste. Get ingredients. Fulfilled by. Preparation. 1. Heat the oven to 400 F2. In a large mixing bowl, whisk the egg, then combine 1 teaspoon oregano, the red pepper flakes, half the garlic, lemon zest, 1 teaspoon salt, half the mint, a half cup feta, yogurt and breadcrumbs with the meat until evenly distributed. Coat a sheet pan with 1 tablespoon oil. Add half the red onion and a pinch of salt, coating it with the oil. 3. Lightly oil or with the palm of your hand so the meat doesn't stick to them. Then shape the meat into 2-inch meatballs, about the size of a golf ball. You will have approximately 20. Cut one of the lemon halves into thin slices, then add to the pan. Bake for about 20 minutes, or until the meatballs are browned on at least one side, and cooked through, shaking the pan halfway to move them around. Squeeze the remaining lemon half over them. 4. While the meatballs are cooking, make the dressing in a large mixing bowl. Combine 1 teaspoon dried oregano, remaining garlic juice of 1 lemon and whisk in olive oil until smooth. Season to taste with salt. Add the lettuce, remaining red onion, tomatoes and cucumbers, tossing to coat in the dressing. Mix in the remaining feta and season to taste with salt and pepper as needed. Serve with the meatballs, onions and lemon rounds.